Have you ever looked at an octopus and thought, that thing is just weird? You're not alone. These creatures, along with their deep-sea cousins, the giant squid, are some of the most bizarre and fascinating animals on our planet. They're so strange, in fact, that some people have even wondered if they might not be from Earth at all. Today, we're diving deep into the world of these incredible cephalopods to explore why they're considered the aliens of the sea. Let's start with the octopus. Forget everything you think you know about animal intelligence. Octopuses are in a league of their own. They have a large, complex brain, but that's just the beginning. About 2/3 of their neurons are actually located in their arms. It's like each arm has a mind of its own. This allows them to perform incredibly complex tasks simultaneously, like solving a puzzle with one arm while exploring a new object with another. Imagine trying to text with one hand while writing an email with the other, and also making a cup of coffee. That's everyday life for an octopus. Scientists have observed them using tools, like carrying coconut shells to build a portable shelter. They're also masters of escape, known for squeezing their boneless bodies through impossibly small openings to get out of tanks. They can recognize individual human faces and seem to have distinct personalities. Some are playful, others are grumpy. This level of intelligence is just not something you see in other invertebrates. It's more on par with some mammals and birds, but their evolutionary path is completely different from ours. It's like intelligence evolved on a completely separate branch of life in a totally alien way. And their physical abilities are straight out of a sci-fi movie. They have 3 hearts, blue, copper-based blood, and the ability to instantly change their skin color and texture to perfectly match their surroundings. They don't just change color, they can mimic the patterns of rocks, sand, or even other sea creatures. It's a level of camouflage that makes chameleons look like amateurs. They can also regenerate lost arms, a superpower we can only dream of. This unique combination of features led a group of 33 scientists to publish a paper in 2018 with a pretty wild hypothesis. They suggested that the Cambrian explosion, a period about 540 million years ago when most major animal groups suddenly appeared in the fossil record, might have been triggered by extraterrestrial intervention. Their theory proposes that a meteor carrying cryopreserved octopus or squid eggs from another planet could have crashed into Earth's oceans, seeding our world with these incredibly complex life forms. It sounds like a blockbuster movie plot, right? And to be clear, this is a very fringe theory in the scientific community. Most biologists firmly believe that octopuses evolved right here on Earth, tracing their lineage back through millions of years of fossil evidence to ancient nautilus-like ancestors. The mainstream view is that their strangeness is simply a testament to the incredible power and creativity of evolution by natural selection. Life found a way, and it got really, really creative in the deep ocean. But let's entertain the alien idea for a minute, because it's just so cool to think about. What makes it even more intriguing is their genetic makeup. When scientists first sequenced the octopus genome, they were stunned. It's incredibly complex, with about 33,000 protein-coding genes. That's significantly more than humans have. It's a massive jumbled library of genetic information. Even stranger is their ability to edit their own RNA. Most organisms, including us, rely on DNA as the master blueprint. Changes happen slowly, over generations, through genetic mutation. But octopuses and some other cephalopods can actively edit their RNA messages on the fly. This allows them to fine-tune their proteins, essentially adapting their own biology in real time to changes in their environment, like a sudden drop in water temperature. It's like having a biological software update system built in. This is an extremely rare ability in the animal kingdom, and it adds another layer to their alien reputation. Now, let's venture into even deeper, darker waters to meet the octopus's colossal cousin, the giant squid. For centuries, these were creatures of legend, the krakens of sailors' nightmares, said to drag entire ships to the bottom of the sea. It wasn't until 2004 that we got the first ever images of a live giant squid in its natural habitat, and not until 2012 that one was filmed alive. These animals are masters of hiding in the crushing blackness of the deep ocean. Everything about them is massive. They can grow up to 43 feet long. That's longer than a school bus. Their eyes are the largest in the animal kingdom, the size of dinner plates. These giant eyes are perfectly adapted for seeing in the near-total darkness of the abyss, likely to spot the faint bioluminescence of their prey or the shadowy form of their only known predator, the sperm whale. The epic battles between sperm whales and giant squids are legendary, a true clash of titans in the deep. We know this because many sperm whales are found with circular scars on their skin from the toothed suckers on the squid's tentacles. Like the octopus, the giant squid is an evolutionary enigma. Because they live so deep and their bodies are soft, they don't fossilize well. This leaves huge gaps in our understanding of how they evolved to become so enormous. Did they evolve from a smaller ancestor, or did they come from a lineage of giants? We just don't have all the answers. Their isolation in the deep sea means they've been on their own evolutionary journey for millions of years, becoming perfectly adapted to a high-pressure, low-light world that is as alien to us as the surface of another planet. So when you put it all together, the decentralized intelligence and problem-solving skills of the octopus, their reality-bending camouflage, their ability to edit their own RNA, and the sheer monstrous scale and mystery of the giant squid, you can see why the alien label sticks. They challenge our very definition of what life and intelligence should look like. They prove that on our own planet, there are beings with a biology and a way of thinking that is profoundly different from our own. While the idea of them arriving on a cosmic icicle is a fascinating thought experiment, the reality is perhaps even more awe-inspiring. It means that the evolutionary process right here on Earth is capable of producing life forms so complex, so intelligent, and so wonderfully weird that they seem to have come from another world. They are a living reminder of the boundless possibilities of life and the vast, unexplored mysteries that still exist in the deepest corners of our own oceans. The deep sea is the last true frontier on our planet. We know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the ocean floor. Who knows what other bizarre and wonderful creatures are waiting to be discovered down there? The octopus and the giant squid might just be the ambassadors of a whole world of alien life that has been hiding under our noses all along. They force us to expand our minds and reconsider the potential for life to flourish in the most unexpected ways. Whether they're native Earthlings or ancient alien visitors, one thing is for sure. Octopuses and giant squids are some of the most incredible animals on the planet, and they have so much more to teach us about life, intelligence, and the universe. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive into the world of these amazing creatures. What do you think? Are they aliens, or just the brilliant result of Earth's evolution? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more mysteries of the natural world, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you next time.